Marching towards understanding. The power of marching for freedom. Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's lesson where we're diving into the powerful phrase, marching for freedom. This phrase carries a lot of weight in history, and today, we're going to unpack its meaning, usage, and the importance it holds in various contexts. Whether you're learning English as a second language or simply interested in expanding your vocabulary, this discussion is for you. Let's march into understanding together. Marching for freedom is a phrase composed of two main components, marching and for freedom. To march means to walk in a deliberate and rhythmic manner, often as part of a group and typically in protest or support of a cause. The phrase implies forward movement and unity towards a common goal. The term, for freedom, indicates the purpose of the march, seeking or supporting liberty and independence. When combined, marching for freedom symbolizes a collective action taken by individuals or groups to advocate for their rights and freedom. This phrase has been used throughout history in various movements and protests where people have come together to demand their rights and freedoms. From the civil rights movement in the United States to the anti-apartheid protests in South Africa, marching for freedom embodies the struggle and perseverance of individuals fighting against oppression and injustice. It highlights the importance of solidarity, courage, and the human spirit in the face of adversity. For English language learners, understanding phrases like marching for freedom goes beyond vocabulary expansion. It opens a window to cultural and historical contexts, helping learners to grasp the emotional and social significance of language in real-world scenarios. Recognizing the depth and power of such phrases enriches communication skills and fosters a deeper connection with the language. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, marching for freedom. We've seen how it combines the action of marching with the noble goal of achieving freedom, carrying with it historical weight and the essence of human rights movements. Remember, learning a language is not just about words and grammar. It's also about understanding the stories and emotions those words convey. We hope this lesson has been enlightening, and we look forward to marching forward in our language learning journey together. Thank you for joining us today.